whale.
Hold on.
Amazing fireworks.
It's supposed to spin and everything.
Out of the way. Wow, some surprise.
Right,
Wow.
Mark pit 5.
Yeah.
Mark pit 5. Right, so okay,
What's back there? You've conquered the fear. I've conquered my fear! Fireworks!
you just walk. That's the orange pole gun. Oh, the little one, no. They don't got a better lighter with it.
I've already got my lighter. I've already got my...
Any light will do. Flip off.
That was a good thing. Calm down.
Oh my god, that was going on.
Skills. Good. I've got one.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, not very exciting.
Okay, let's go back.
Skills, get a load ready.
Are you kidding?
Jamie!
What? You cool?
Jamie, can I learn a fag trick, please? Right, next one.
What? You let them scream it.
Right, I like fucking...
I love this.
Yeah. No, wait, then. I like
This is pretty cool.
I think last year, no. Why? Because it's our fault.
Jasmine.
It's just one.
Oh, Jasmine.
Oh, well done.
It's not good. It's good to stay straight up there like a serve for the past half an hour.
Oh, by the way, guys, get ready to run.
Why? What is this?
Oh, that's a Catherine wheel.
Which is just getting launched up.
Okay, I'm ready, son.
Oh, Jamie, you wouldn't.
No?
Oh, fucking hell.
He would.
He's going. Just throw... Jamie, you idiot!
Oh, fuck. That's gonna.
Fuck, you haven't taken away shit!
No, it won't. Well, that was a shit happen with.
No, wait, that hasn't.
It's just gonna explode.
It will in a minute. Jamie always goes to the
Just
pirate.
stand back, then you'll be fine.
Right up. Catherine, remove the shit.
Yep.
Maybe you don't know how to light them.
No, oh, you've got to have them hanging on the wheel because then they'll spin.
And we have nothing to hang it off.
Fair
So now
enough.
it's just causing a fire.
But now it's going up.
You attach it to a rocket. Attach it to a rocket and see what happens. No, you can't attach fireworks, you'll get injured. Ah, you boy.
Hello. Where was that going?
So go put it out and take a piss. No, don't.
Is that it?
No, we've got a load more.
That's good.
Right, that big fucker.
Not yet.
What is it?
No, we're not lighting any big fuckers. We've already lit a couple. Jamie! The only funny thing is... Do you know anyone that'll go to fire? They're the people
What?
who didn't pay. Do you know
Thunderclap.
Yeah, mate.
Do you have a car?
No, I'm not. Sorry.
Car?
On the back. Skills,
What?
bring me that other pole.
In a minute. Where is
I love how they're just sitting down there.
Maybe, where is it?
Oh, Kane has a
Huh?
like my kind of a
What's he like?
saw it last year, trust me. You wouldn't be
I just wonder if it comes in this direction.
This one's called Inferno. God knows what it's going to
Inferno.
do.
Oh, gravity!
Go stand closer. That's shit.
Yeah.
Go stand closer.
Joking.
You're blind.
Yay! Amazing.
Oh, fucking, that's Jamie.
Calm down.
Do you want a light?
Sound fireworks.
No,
Gosh.
we're trying to find something. Give it last year with JJ went to go pick on them and they went off.
Yep. That's his fault, not mine.
What? Holy fuck. That's like...
Wow.
I didn't even realise that went off.
Really?
I forgot I lit that. What? Gonna be
Well
worse.
done.
This looks like a beast.
It will be.
Thunderclap.
Just don't get it where, otherwise it won't work. It won't set off.
And me.
Especially, I've been out here with a fag.
You just get on you.
Fag. That shit.
Yay! Baby firework.
Oh, James, I
Rock
was
it.
quite clear in a minute. I
Hello.
might set it off.
No, I won't.
Woo!
gonna fucking aim on you, you cunt!
Who the fuck was that?
Go on, let's,
Come on.
wait, if I aim Jamie! Is that illegal?
Yeah.
Let's aim it.
What?
Who's this now? Starwood again!
Ignore it, ignore it, ignore it.
Fuck it, tell them where we are, I don't care.
No, ignore it,
No,
ignore
I'm
it.
ignoring it. Jamie, where do you find the fuses to these rockets?
Which rocket?
These ones.
Whoa, watch them motherfuckers.
Okay, fine.
There we go,
You
rocket.
two like that.
I like.
What's this fucker? Fabulous. Fine. You better be
Oh,
cunt.
how nice.
Right.
Yeah.
We got two up here. Right, scales.
Let them three up.
Why?
Because they're going to get some food.
No, not now.
Right, you do them three, I'll take these two and the
We're going to walk
finale.
together.
Yeah.
Where?
We're going to go get
Right.
food. What's the finale?
Oh. Hang on, what? Is
Oh.
this everything we've got?
This is what's left.
Fuck, man.
How much was this?
About 150 quid.
Wow.
Last year was in thousands.
What? You spent thousands?
Last year,
Oh, we
me,
spent fucking
James Raven, him, you as well.
Wow.
Skills wasn't here last year.
No, he was for a bit.
I turned up near the end. Let both of them put the thing down, Jimmy.
Oh yeah, I'll hold it.
No!
You fucking idiot.
Thing.
Alright,
Hold
calm
it right at
down.
the bottom if you are.
There's only one pole.
Yeah,
Two.
there's one.
Throw it.
It's a little pole, little
Right.
Like it and throw it. On it. Don't like
Really?
that.
Yeah.
You'll be
I'm
alright.
just holding it.
Fuck you. I'm not going on.
I was
Just
standing.
right in front of us.
No, it hits Jamie. I wouldn't do that to you.
Wanna kill me?
Especially
Calm down.
David. Go burn this nut, then he's hitting him in the face and then dropping here all of us. If I survive, you'll all die.
How nice. Don't know.
Yeah, got a lighter.
Come on.
Okay.
That way. Not know which way to fire it.
Skills, there you go. Last one.
I was.
I don't think it's a good idea, but it's about to go over the mountain. Firework!
Oh, silver spot.
And a rocket.
What's it like? Off in 5, 4, 3.
2.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that one's gone.
Right, ready when you are, Steve.
Yeah.
Right. Go.
It's it. Have you lit the finale yet?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the finale one. What have we got left?
That's it, mate. Well, that was good. That was that.
Half, yeah. It's all off. Thunderclap's gonna go off in a minute.
No, it doesn't.
What?
It won't.
Try it.
That's alright.
I don't know.
I'm just going to kick it.
No.
No!
Jamie, stay away. Seems like it's building up to something. Yeah, it is. That's a bit though.
And the finale.
Watch your please turn it out.
It's not complaining.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Still think it was shit?
Yeah.
This is that fast.
I haven't run through it yet.
You're not going to run through it.
Are you kidding? Let's move.
Hey, watch it like the Spudnik.
Relight it.
Yeah, that one bit that didn't go up. Josh, get out the fucking way.
Stand closer.
You go stand closer. Let's hope that's it.
Yeah, that's
Oh, you saw?
Take a
Yeah.
pic on it just in case.
Okay.